What's going on, family? That's right, man. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. Man, we got Bitcoin, the big dog here, man, is down to 28,496, man. Bitcoin is diving. Crypto is taking a huge dive. So, the next support for this is around 22 to 24 area. So, that's the first stop. The strongest support is around 19-20 area. So from 18 to 20 is the strongest support. They sat there for a while. So that's probably the strongest support. The first stop though is 22 to 24 area. We could see a possible bounce there. As you see, they made that leg up. So I'm looking for a buy around 20. I'm buying around 20. So be throwing something in the crypto market around 20 when Bitcoin gets down there, if it gets down there. So, but Bitcoin is taking a dive, man. Crypto is just getting chopped to pieces because of this market, man. It's just literally just following the market, man. It's taking a dive. The market is diving, so it's literally correlated with the market, and it's taking a huge dive. I'm gonna show you exactly what I saw in this market. This is the exact 50% retracement of this leg down, man. Off this trend line, leg down, 50% retracement, Fibonacci retracement, man. Fibs are real, man. And this is amazing. So, as you can see, man, we're looking for a new low. So break up a trend line, looking for a new low. They couldn't even get up to 4,200. So that was the next area of resistance, 42 to 4,300. But 42 was the first stop because that was a strong zone. But they just stacked up right there and faked everybody out. They couldn't even get a second leg up. But as you see, they did overshoot this channel. So we should have been expecting some type of reversal here, you know. So I'm thinking the next stop for this market on the S&P could range from 34 to 3,600 in that area. And I'm going to give you the reason why. So I'm going to go back in time. We're going to see exactly why that is an area that is a strong support. So this area, this zone right here, 3,400, as you can see, I marked this already on my chart. This was back before the pandemic hit. This was where we were. This is the zone right here. This is when the pandemic happened. As you see this drop. So February, the end of February, we took this dive. So we went all the way down to, looks like 2,200, right? And then made a higher low, another leg up, and then we just trended back up. We came up out of there, rocketed out of there. So the reason why I think this is a zone, a buy zone, is because we'll be breaking a 20% correction if we break under these lows that they already made. So this zone is important because this is where they'll be picking it up, man. As you see, we came through it. We bounced off of it. That was in, what is that? Looks like 11. What is that? 11. Yeah, so yeah, that was when we bounced off of that area of support. So this is before the pandemic, and as you can see, we bounced right off of that support and then trended higher. So we trended higher. This was when they printed all that money, man. All this money that they printed. This is how the market went straight up. They bought every pullback. So now we're overextended. We're overextended and we're looking for a pullback. I'm thinking this area of support is probably the best zone, man. 3,400 to 3,600. That would be the zone that I think would be the bottom, man. So they do have another zone under it, but this is where I'm thinking because of this area. This is where we were before the pandemic, right up in here. 34, 30, that's around 33 to 3400 area, man. So that's my take on this market. Man, do your own research, but that is a fib retracement on this leg down. So just be careful with your trading, man. And I'm thinking we're going to get a new low for sure. So the market is so weak. We have to get a new low at this point. So once we see the panic selling, we know it's time. So just keep this on your radar, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Out.